Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday. Well, today, as you can see, we have this unbagging and it is from AliExpress Part 3. So these are the two that I was waiting on, I'm assured, because I can feel two separate kits here. So let's see what they look like. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we have this package and nothing else, and this package. So we're going to save the big one for last, and we will get into this one. Let me get this out of its bag. All right, I am back. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have a paper pattern. Huge. Now I'm going to put a picture right in here of this because it does not have a big picture. I will get this unfolded while you're looking at that. This one is an 11 count. It has 25 colors. And it is 58 by 78. And I don't think it was that much money. I'll put that up over in here somewhere. I think it was between $12 and $20 maybe. Yeah. But this has such similar colors that I think 25 colors is going to be good. We have 154 mulberry, 310 black, 498 red, 823 blue, 3371, which is that dark brown, and the 3777, I think that's a brick red, and then 3865 for the white. And there's not too much white in it, just that top part of the sky that comes across there. But very detailed over here where the building and all the trees and stuff are. There's a little bit of what do you call it, detailing down this side and down to the bottom. So hopefully it'll be big enough. You had a choice. You could get it in 11 or 14 count. And of course those prices, the price that I thought it was, it's somewhere between $5 and probably $40. I'm just kind of winging that out because I don't know. They had it all the way up to, what was it, almost 300 or something like that by 150 or something. I don't know, some odd amount, but glad I didn't get it any bigger than that. So let's see what's in here. Oh, we have a fancy toolkit. Comes with a seam ripper, 2 needle threaders, a pair of snips, and 8 needles. So that's good. Oh dear. And we thought the thread drops were bad. Well, it comes with all the threads wrapped around. I moved everything on my desk. I cleaned it off. Comes wrapped around these, but they're made of cardboard, of course, in there. Yeah. Oh, this will be fun. Trying to figure out which side is where you open it. Oh, we do have a hank of 838. Well, that's kind of an odd hank of thread. Oh, I see. Everything's like attached. So I'd say there was probably 10 more strands of this. It's stuck to the sticker. Oh, there's 2 of those. One. Oh, I'm sorry, I lied. There's 3 of them, but they put the sticker around the middle, not at the top. So, I'm not sure what part that's going to go on. But the rest of them are wrapped up on bobbins. Yay. That'll be fun to find. But, you know, frankly, I'd rather have this than those thread drops. In a way. So, all the colors are in there. I've never had a kit come like that. Never, ever, at all. Put that up there. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is one of those stiff ones, but the kind that crunch down really well. Doesn't take any time at all, so I like that part. Nice big key over here. Product number, how big it is up here. And I don't know what HMA stands for unless it's Hulacan, but, or Huacan. Yeah, I was looking to see if on the bottom it said anything about how many stitches per stitches. So it is, yeah, I don't see that anywhere. Oh, here we go. It's right here. 216 by 303. I thought that was kind of odd that they did that. It's kind of a different kind of pattern, but it's very easy to see all the symbols. They're a little small, but they're still legible and not smeared or smudged, so yay. Okay. Let's take a look at that canvas. Oh my goodness, it's wide. But very nice. Crap, I gotta do it that way. I'm trying. Easy to see symbols because it is 11 count, so there should be no problem there. You're going to have some big areas. You're going to have some confetti. Yeah, and I don't believe I'm going to be able to. Let me see if I can go this way and get under the lamp. There's 1/4 inch folded under. Let's see. 77.5 by 58, which is like 22 3/4 inches. So yeah, nice big pattern like that. And I just hemmed and hawed at what size I should get, so that's why I settled on the almost 60 to almost 80 size, because I thought otherwise, you know, it's just not gonna. Crap, holy cow. Just wait, this is nothing compared to the other one, but at least you can see the building here, and it's got some definition, and the trees all over it, so we'll have to see. We will have to see. But it is huge, but not as big as the next one. Oh my goodness, and it comes in its own bag with its own sticker. Let me see if I can get this open. And I don't know who made this kit either. Well, I'm trying not to cut the plastic or the canvas. They got it, they're so tight. Just pull it off of there. Oh, it's a classic. So does that mean it's Mona Lisa? I have no idea. I have yet to figure that out. Let me get this one out of its bag. All right, I am back. Let me put them scissors away. Is that not stunning? Look at the mountains and the trees and the water. You even have 2 little deer down there. This is 150 by 70, 11 count. And it's going to say classical cross stitch on top. Let me see. It is divided into 24 pages, or sections, I should say, in this here. Let's see how many colors we have. Well, if I can find the color. Hang on. Maybe I missed it. Oh, I thought I missed it on the first page. I did. Okay, this has 55 colors. Straight cross stitch. You can put as much back stitching, French knots, or whatever into it. But nicely printed booklet. See, look at the colors first. We have 310 black, shock, 550 purple. Let's see. No 823, no 939, no 3371, and they have 3865 for the white. But beautiful, well illustrated, heavy duty paper, and each page has a number, and that corresponds with a section. So you could do it that way if you wanted to. But very simple, very easy to see symbols. I'd say it's a little bit bigger maybe than 14 count, the grid is. So very nice. Glad they send those, because yeah, we'd be lost. Alright, are you ready to open this monster up? Cracking the book. Let's see what we got going here. Oh my goodness. And not a toolkit. No toolkit at all. But you do get this huge bag of thread. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 extra skeins of thread. Yeah. Can't believe there's no toolkit in this. That's so odd. The other one had this lovely big toolkit. I don't get it. And it's on 2 thread cards. Beautiful, gorgeous. Greens, blues, tans, browns. There's 36 colors to a thread card. We have several shades of green there. This is called Green Mountain, Green Lake. Boy, original there, huh? Look at the pinks and the blues. There's your 310 black. I think it was 550 purple, wasn't it? 550 purple, it looks like it. More greens, more pinks, more yellow and orange. And then on this one, thank goodness it's on thread cards. We have more purples, kind of a brown to a buff. More greens. Dark brown. So yeah, nice wide variety, colorful variety of threads. And there's extras, so this is going to be a full coverage. Oh, look what I found. I thought that was quite odd. So you get snips, you get one of those needle threaders that has a little tiny hook on it, and 4, 5, 6 needles. So I'll just set that aside. Okay, there's no way I'm going to be able to measure this. I got to scooch back a bit. And it is serged all the way around. Oh, and there's 2 needles right there. Holy cow. I don't want to drop them on the floor. I'll put them over there. Has a 2 salvage edges is what I meant to say. Nice printing though. They always do. Let me put my light up. There we go, because it's getting in the way. But very nice. Easy to see canvas. It might be a little confettied here and there, but for the most part it does have bigger areas, so just start at one corner and stitch. There's the mountains. They have lots of, I gotta move my, hang on, I'm doing this with one hand, hanging on to everything else. Give me a sec. There we go. But nice definition in the mountains. and the sky. It's not all one color. And I can't remember if this was one that, what was I going to say? Went right out of my brain. Where they show you what the canvas looks like. Sometimes they do that. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I'm glad it's not, you can see they're not too big of areas, you know, just, and then there's going to be a big area and then some definition. But yeah, just beautiful. I don't know that I can go that way. Hold, please. We have to fold it. Let me back you back down so you can see what's going on. I'm sure I'm making everybody sick. But yeah, I do like this. I really, really do. So it's going to get its own bag for sure. Because I have some big bags that this will fit in. And the key runs, let's see if I can fold that, along the bottom. Now what I have done in the past is take my phone and put it on video mode. And just kind of come across, you know, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. And then I have to kind of move the material. Sometimes I'll go to the bedroom, you know, if it's not too terribly long. And just go from one end to the other. And that way I can see the symbols. But they're printed very nicely. Very easy to see. But yeah, I'm just not fond of that where it goes along the bottom. Because if you're working in the middle, then you got to unroll it just to find what symbol you're looking for. Unless you're really good at going down the grid line and from one side to the, yeah. Been there, done that, yeah. So, yeah, I am very pleased with this canvas. It's very nice. Nice, big, you know, the way I like it, nice and big. Let me see if I can get to the edge where the dang deer is. Oh my gosh, that's why I was unwinding it in the first place. I'm not real sure where the deer is supposed to be. Did I miss something? Huh. Maybe they're further down the... Now there's the water. Maybe they're here. I don't know. Can't see the deer. So we'll have to wait and see. Wait and see. So let me get that out of the way. Holy cow. We're trying. Oh, God. All right. And then I'll fold that on the inside. All right, guys. Well, that's all of that I got from AliExpress. And we'll be starting one of these today. Not sure which one yet, but we'll start one. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.